Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I brought you a quick update on the Metamask Airdrop. So if you are waiting for the Metamask Airdrop, then watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. So if you check their X profile, they recently shared an update saying that MetaMask Rewards Season 1 has wrapped. They also said we're now processing your rewards activity and the claim process will begin in the coming days. That means you have to wait a little longer to claim your rewards. So what are the rewards? Well, as we can see here, we're going to get some linear token allocation depending on the level you are at. We're also going to get an Ansem AI Pro discount, some Yuga Labs exclusive other side avatars, and a MetaMask metal card for 1 year for free for some users depending on their level and activity. If you open your MetaMask wallet app, you'll be able to see the points you have earned, your level, and also your referral details. Right now there is no claim button available, so you have to wait for some time to get your rewards. Once the claim process begins, you'll be able to check your eligibility and claim your rewards directly in the MetaMask mobile app. So for now, you just need to wait for your rewards. And that's all for this quick update. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.